once you have your sign-ins, now what are the things that can happen? So under the place where you have the visualizations, right? And under the build, you see the three dots. So once you click on the three dots, you will get something called get more visuals. If you're not signed in, then this does not work. So once you click on get more visuals, over here, it has a lot of different type of charts which have already been pre-created by others for you, right? Now, only thing you have to understand is that not everything is going to be safe. People make products and launch it. Some of them are verified by Microsoft. Some of them are not verified by the Microsoft. These blue ticks that you see, these are micro BI certified. So in my opinion, if something is BI certified, is something that is safer to use. So you should be able to pick it up. So a lot of visuals that we do using, let's say Python, like a word cloud. Typically to create a word cloud, we need Python code to run it. But if I wanted to create a word cloud, I can simply search for it. So this is a new word cloud by Power. This word cloud is like, if I want to understand, for example, sentiment of a person, right? So what happens? We plot the positive or negative, or we plot the different type of sentiments. Let's say you said it's good, she said it's good, I said it's bad, right? So this column we plot in word cloud. So anything which has a higher frequency gets a bigger font size. Anything which is a smaller frequency gets a smaller font size. Okay, so that's called a word cloud. So over here you have things like word cloud. So this is like a very typical old age word cloud that we have been using for a very long time. And this is a new kind of word cloud I see. So in order to use any of the visuals, number one things you should be able to understand how to use a visual and what the visual is going to give you as output as. You will see a lot of fancy things over here. Fancy is okay, but in business, I've been telling you, too fancy never works. Like something like word cloud is a very old thing, so it works. So I can add, once you click on add.
So it's like what cloud, what I use, what cloud is can be used for if I'm doing a dashboard on customer reviews.
Customer reviews, yes, you can do that.
Or a product review.
Even if I want to understand over here in this particular thing, I'll use it for finding out which products are sold more or which products are giving me more profits.
It's a like higher overview.
Right. So over here, whenever you add, these visualizations that you add are specific to the workbook in which you have added. It's not going to be across all the workbooks. So every time you need this visual again, you will have to add it again. So once I click on this word cloud, something like this is coming up. Now, what I need to do is add a visual title, learn more. Okay, over here. So over here, it is asking for a category and the measure. So categories, let's say, what I want to understand is product name. This is what I want to evaluate. Now, product name based on what? I want to base it off on profit. So now what is happening? Anything which is giving me higher profits. Like over here, Mountain 200 is giving me highest profit. That's coming up. Your Black is giving me, Black 38 is giving me second highest. And anything which is small, like Rag, Fenders, Glove, Bike 4, West, AWC, Cap, Touring 2000, Road 250. These are much, much smaller than the Mountain 200. So it is a different way of representing which is having a higher weightage than the others. Make sense? Similarly, this product names are too many, but let's say if I would have given instead of product name, education level, which education level is giving me more profit? Something like this. Bachelor's, partial, college. So it's kind of easy to understand. So these are called word clouds.